Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hi, I'm Taylor and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I am going to be testing Kastiny Gel Nail Polish from Amazon. If you're interested, just keep watching. Before we start the video, go ahead and hit that like button down below and subscribe to my channel because I would love to have you. Also, make sure you have your post notifications turned on so you're notified every time I upload a new video. And let's start the video. So I do want to start out the video by thanking Kastiny for sending me these gel nail polish. This is to review. I'm super excited. I love doing nail videos here on my channel, so I can't wait to try these out. So they did send me two different sets of these gel nail polishes, so I will link each set down in the description of this video. You can purchase them on Amazon. Each set does come with 6 different colors of gel nail polish, a matte top coat, a glossy top coat, and then a base coat. This set also comes with a user manual to explain how to use the gel nail polish. So now I'm going to show you an up-close look of the colors of each gel nail polish, and then I'm going to get into testing them out on my own nails and giving you guys my thoughts. So first I'm going to start by prepping my nails for the polish. I'm going to be taking my file and I'm going to be shaping my nails to the nail shape I want, and I'm also going to be lightly filing my whole nail just to kind of rough it up for that base coat. So I did cut my nails pretty short, and now I'm just going to be shaping them, and I'm going to be going with more of a squared off shape, nothing too crazy. So like I said, I'm just going to be lightly running that file over my nails. It's just going to kind of rough my nail up so it's ready to grip onto that base coat. I found before, if I didn't do this in the past with other gel nail polishes, that the polish just kind of peeled off like a sticker. So I think it's an important step to do to make your nail polish last longer. And now I'm just going to be using this tool and pushing back my cuticles. Now my nails are ready, and I'm going to start with the base coat. This is going to prep the nail for the nail polish. So I have used a lot of different gel nail polish, and I just want to say that I really do like this base coat. Some base coats I've used have been super thick, or some have even been really runny and can run into your cuticles, and that just doesn't look good when you are finishing your nails. But I really like this consistency of this base coat, and it seems to work really well. So now I'm just going to be putting my nails under the LED gel light for around 30 to 60 seconds, and I did go more towards the 60 seconds because I feel like the longer you keep them under, the longer your nails are going to last. And I feel like the longer you leave it under, the easier the gel polish will apply. Moving on, I am going to start my nails, and I'm going to be using this color. It is a deep burgundy color. It's super pretty. So I'm just going to start applying that to my nails. And I did find that I really do like this gel polish. Like I said before, I have used a lot of different gel polishes, and this is probably honestly one of my favorite. The consistency of the polish is really great. It doesn't make a mess when you're applying it, and I've had that happen a lot. Some gel polishes can be super thick and hard to apply, and just kind of make a mess, but I felt like this was super easy to keep on my nail and not get into my cuticles or onto my skin. But like normal nail polish, it is super easy to remove if you do get it on your skin, but go ahead and remove that before you do place your nails under the LED light. So this is what the color looks like after just one coat. It does say to use 2 to 3 coats, so I am probably going to keep applying the coats until the color looks how the sample does on the top of the nail bottle. Once I applied that color, I'm just going to be putting my nails under the LED light for around 60 to 90 seconds, and I did go more towards the 90 seconds just to be on the safe side. So now I'm going to be moving on and doing the second coat of nail polish, and I'm just going to be applying that nail polish like I did the first coat. And as you guys can see, it is going on quite a bit darker, but I still think I am going to have to do a third coat. So far, I really am impressed with this gel polish. I really love it. I've never had one where I can apply it so effortlessly. Usually I make a horrible mess and get the polish on my skin, but I'm not really having that problem. It's just super easy to apply, and the consistency of the polish is great, and I'm just really impressed. The only thing is that you could have to apply up to 3 coats to get that true color that's on the top of the bottle. I really don't have an issue with that, but some people might. And again, I'm just going to leave that under the lamp for 30 to 60 seconds. And then I did end up doing a third coat, and I did not record that. And now I'm ready to move on to the matte top coat. I decided to do matte because I have never used a matte top coat before. I've always done glossy, so I'm super excited to see how this is going to turn out. So something I noticed right off the bat is that the brush on this is black, and I really like that when you're applying the top coat. Before, other times I have used different brands and the brush has been clear, and when you apply the top coat, it kind of takes on the color of the nail polish you used, so that's kind of an issue. And then when you do use it again in the future, it has like messed up the polish. But as you guys can see, this brush is not picking up any of the polish I applied, so I really like that. Something else that I like is that you do only have to apply one round of the top coat. You don't have to do multiple coats, and I really like that because it takes out a couple extra steps. And now you just place your hand under the light for 60 to 90 seconds, and I did do more towards the 90 seconds. So I really do love this polish. I love how my nails turned out, and I'm definitely going to be using this in the future. So stay tuned for more videos in the future. If you guys would like to see a wear test using this polish, let me know down in the comments below. And here's what my nails look like after they're all done. I love the matte, and I love how they turned out. I definitely do recommend checking this brand out on Amazon, and I will link it all in the description of this video for you guys to check out. Thank you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next video.